Hi guys, here is the iPhone 11 Pro. So this already broken here. You can see it's by accident. So now I'll restoring it. Let me open. Yeah, display. The connector is okay, but the camera of it and yes, battery. Yeah, let me try see if the device is okay or not. Yeah, device is quite like okay. Need to work something here in board. Power supply is not okay, so let's disconnect me all, then I'll work with the power supply board. This is a power supply board, and this seems like the connection is not too good, so let me solve this problem first. Yep. uh, so just and function is similar to what. Yeah, let me check is all. Yes, there is something. Yep, it's warming. So this is not working, so I'll open it and reclean it and put it again. So yeah, we want it fast. Yep. Yes, this little tiny thing is little difficult. It's okay. Yeah, seems like function okay. Let me check again. Yeah, yeah, seems like no power here. Okay, this yeah, this that display was broken, so yeah, it's okay. Hmm. Yeah, seems like it's okay. Camera, I'll connect the phone camera later. I'll replace it a new case, and this case also is like the same like iPhone. So let me remove all component, and the battery's quality is like good, but yeah, I'll use it. So this connector already connected, but this was broken, so I'll replace the connector new. That will be better. As this camera, screw tightly, and the battery, I'm using the same battery as the new one. So it's need just some press to smoothly adjust. So now the board, so all component I removed, I replace it again. It's look like new, fresh. Yeah, this all these things are looking fit. Okay, then just clean. Yeah, all is set. So now the turn of display. The connector is to display. Okay, then the all is like seems a new body here. Okay, everything is now clean. So press it for a few minutes. Yeah, it's all set.